Mission to repair trust. Stuart was performing a stick-spinning trick, but he swung his arm too high.
Huh?
Stuart panicked. He tried stuffing the cotton back in and used chewing gum to stick the horn on.
Yeah!
Stuart was performing a stick-spinning trick, but he swung his arm too high. Margot is the lead doctor. Stuart is the assistant who holds the needles. Done! The horn is even stronger than before. Courage to admit mistakes. Correct them together. Banana versus robot vacuum.
Whoa!
Oh, shit!
Huh? Huh? Oh, man.
Campaign cookie. Flower explosion in the kitchen. Today, the eldest sister, Margot, decided to teach her two mischievous younger siblings how to make a perfect cake. Rule number 1. You must follow the formula absolutely. But for Edith, the recipe was just a suggestion, and she preferred something more thrilling. And Stuart? He's willing to help if it seems fun. Margot turned around and realized the kitchen had turned into a snow cave. Although there was no cake, Stuart managed to salvage the situation with his own masterpiece. Whether it's cake or bananas doesn't matter, as long as the whole family is happy. Bubble adventure! Whoa!
No. Too hot! One summer afternoon at Grew Manor, when the heat can turn a minion into a piece of melted butter. Bob and Kevin spotted Stuart with the fan on, so they immediately ran over to him. The fan, running overloaded, started emitting black smoke. Gru came up with the idea of taking the minions swimming. The gentle breeze blowing across the minions by the pool was so refreshing. Everyone was very happy. The Germ Wars. Lunchtime is here. A giant, delicious donut is waiting for the hungry champions. But wait! There are some uninvited guests hiding on their hands. The war is on! Prepare the heavy weapons! Soap bubble attack! Germs, be gone! And now, it's time to feast! Super fast cleanup campaign! After a wild party, Gru's living room has turned into a toy battlefield.
Agnes, Bob, if you don't clean up within 1 minute, there will be no cartoons tonight.
1 minute? That's an impossible task. But Agnes had an idea. Toy rescue team, let's go. Bello, poupée. Instead of cleaning by hand, they cleaned in, Minion style. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up!
Aha!
It's clean now, Mr. Group. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring if we know how to turn it into a game. Self-reliance in cleaning. Have fun. Keep your home clean.